away from me, fly. Oh, good morning. Magandang umaga, and welcome to today's episode of My PI Dream. Today's actually kind of about that little fly that was buzzing around me just now. If you don't like flies, if you don't like mosquitoes getting inside your house or anything like that, well, maybe today's episode is for you. Every now and then I come across a product or a service that is just so outstanding that I feel I need to share it with you in case you're interested in something likewise. Anyway, let's go ahead and get today's episode started. So without further delay, let's get today's video underway. I'm going to tell you a little story. I had a friend that called me up a while back. His name is Ed Rowe. He lives in the subdivision on the other side of Lipa City here in Summit Point. And he said, James, I think I got something that you would be really interested in. And I said, really? Well, I'm always interested in anything that has to do with house building or DIY projects or anything like that, and he knows that. So he said, hey, listen, I'm getting some screens installed inside my house, and they are really interesting. They're kind of unique. I've never seen anything like this before. So I said, well, go ahead and send me some information on that. Well, he sent me this really neat video, and I looked at it and I'm like, oh, I could see where that would work great in a couple of our doors that we don't have screens in our house right now. So anyway, I contacted that company, and they came out and they did a survey. They do what's called an ocular, and they did all the measurements. They sent me a price quotation, and I liked what I saw, and we had some screens installed. Well, here's the challenge. The challenge is putting a screen, some type of a screen in this area so that we can open this door. We really like the air that we get from this door that goes out to the garden space, our lanai, into the kitchen area here, but it's very difficult to put a screen here because the door opens outwards, so we can't put a screen door on the outside because the door here opens outwards. So we took an opportunity to look at a different type of a solution, and we're going to talk about that today. Alternatively, down here in the basement area, we want to do the same for this specific door as well. I want to be able to put some kind of screen here so that when we're entertaining down here, we have some people jamming in our little band stage area here, that we can have fresh air coming in without allowing mosquitoes or bugs or flies coming in this way either. So the same solution that we're looking at upstairs, we want to look for the solution down here as well. Let's do a walkthrough of the fit and finish of the final product here. I got to tell you, I'm really excited about this. You can see very clean lines. They did some silicone caulking inside here that matches the same color as the screen frame. Very easy to open. It has a little track rail on the bottom as well. Let's see this right here. And it has magnets on the sides here, both on this side, I believe, and this side, so that it stays open all the way, fit and finish when it closes on the other side as well. Let's go ahead and go down to the basement and take a look at the basement install. Now, just like the one upstairs, it's identical, just the measurements are just a little bit different, and it has a sliding screen here. And we've never been able to keep the store open while we were like performing inside here without having any bugs coming inside. This works really nice. This is a great addition, and it doesn't matter whether you have a new house being built or whether you're doing a remodel, like kind of what we did right here, and an add-on later on. It's a great solution for keeping those nasty bugs out of your house. Now, before I do the final words for today's episode, I want to thank Fritz Tolentino, and he's the in-house sales representative for Fenestram Corporation, which is the company that actually sells these and does the installation. And they are based out of Quezon City. So if you're anywhere around the Manila area, north of Manila, south of Manila, just give them a call if you're interested in putting something like this in your home. Well, there you have it. We got 2 new screens installed. We can open our doors 24 hours a day and have fresh air come in, and no mosquitoes or flies or bugs or insects coming in through those same doorways. A very welcome new addition to our house here at Villa Feliz. Well, if you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave a link in today's description block of today's episode. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, please share, and if you have not subscribed, just click on the little My PI Dream heart in the bottom right hand side of your screen. You'll be subscribed, and if you ring that bell, you'll be notified the next time I upload a new video. So until such time, right here in the very beautiful, but sometimes with a lot of insects, Philippines, you have a wonderful and blessed day. If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right, and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.